Welcome to Nextwell's course on machine learning. We shall cover these topics in this module. What is machine learning? How a machine learns? And close with broad steps in building a machine learning model. If you pay close attention, we assure you at the end of this module, you will be very clear about these topics. You might remember machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. It is a way, a technology to make artificial intelligence happen. And it is defined like this: making a machine learn without explicitly programming it. The key word here is without explicitly programming it. Here we are seeing two pictures, one a mother and another one is a tea vending machine. Both can mix, heat, filter, and deliver tea. But if you give bad quality of milk or tea, the machine would not know that the tea is going to be bad. It just produces tea and delivers. But a mother would know. Now, how does a mother know? How does she know that merely looking at the ingredients before even making the tea, that tea is going to taste good or bad? There is a input outcome relationship in tea making. Quality of tea powder, quality of milk, quality of sugar, the boiling temperature, for how long you boil, all these are inputs. And outcome is the taste of tea. It could be either good, bad, or average. The secret here is learning the relationship between the inputs and the outcome. The question is, can we make the tea vending machine become intelligent? That is, can we make it learn the input and outcome relationship and thereby make it predict the taste of the tea even before making the tea? Is it all possible? Yes, we can. And that is machine learning. So that brings us to the definition of machine learning. Machine learning is making a machine learn the relationship between the inputs and outcome and subsequently using it to predict the outcome when only inputs are available. That is machine learning. Now let's see. There are two machines, same vending machines on both sides. Left side is a dumb regular tea vending machine. Let us make the right side one an intelligent one. How do we make it? Add an algorithm. What is algorithm then? Algorithm is a set of statistical tools which can spot, which can identify the relationship between the inputs and outcome. So that brings us to a most important slide of this module. The broad 4 steps to make a machine learn. You may call it a life cycle of machine learning model development. Obviously, the first step is to prepare the data. In machine learning world, this is called pre-processing. You would remember 25 quadrillion data is being generated in the world every minute. And every swipe, click, share, and like you do in the internet is data. And it is, it is in all kinds of forms: video, audio, images, text. They are not in a form which can be readily fed into a machine to make it learn. So first you need to clean them, arrange them, enrich them, That activity is called pre-processing of data. Mind you, more than 70% of the effort in developing a machine learning model goes into this step number one. Once you did that, the second step is pick, choose, and attach an algorithm, customize and attach an algorithm to the machine. Give a machine its artificial brain. Giving a brain is not sufficient. You need to make it intelligent. How do you do that? You train the brain, train the algorithm. With what we train the algorithm? With historic data. Historic data on inputs and outcome. With that, you train the algorithm. You not only train the algorithm to pick the input outcome relationship, you also test the algorithm whether it has learned properly. Finally, you put it into production. What does it mean? Now, the algorithm is ready to predict the outcome when only inputs are given in real life scenario. Now let us apply these 4 steps to our tea making example. Step number 1 is prepare the data, pre-processing. Every attempt and trial made by the mother is tabulated like this. Various conditions of the input conditions and corresponding outcome, which is the taste, what kind of a taste she ended up, is tabulated. This is a structured data. Now it is ready to be fed into the machine. And step number 2 is select the algorithm. How to select, how to customize algorithms is beyond the scope of this course. So just take it that we choose logistic regression algorithm. And step number 3 is training that algorithm, making that brain, artificial brain, here the logistic regression algorithm, intelligent by feeding the above data. Let's see what the algorithm learns. It learns that higher the tea or milk quality, better would be the taste. Or 1 to 2 spoons of sugar will make the tea taste better. And also it learns that if you cross say 7 minutes of boiling time, tea taste deteriorates. Such relationship between the input and the outcome, it learns and converts that into an equation and stores with it. With that equation, now it is ready to predict the outcome when only the inputs are fed in the future. If you see, in this case, the tea is going to taste super. Now, all these are not just theory, just mumbo jumbo. There are plethora of use cases already. They are positively impacting our lives. Let us summarize what we learned. Learning the relationship between inputs and outcome is the key for machine learning. Algorithm, which is a set of statistical tools given to the computer, gives the machine the ability to learn. It is the artificial brain. Then train the brain. Train with historical data on input and outcome. And finally, we saw the 4 major stages in building a model. What are they? Prepare the data, which is called pre-processing. Number 2, select and attach an algorithm. 3, train and test the algorithm with historical data. And finally, put to production to predict only with inputs the outcome. Congratulations, you have completed this course.
Next Wealth, we enrich your data.